Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to transfer your game progress from Google Play Games to Apple's Game Center. If you are switching from Android to iPhone, this step is crucial. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, first things first, there is no official direct way for you to transfer Google Play Games data to the Game Center because the two platforms are run by different systems, Google and Apple. However, there are a few ways to keep your game progress across both the devices. In this step 1, first of all, you need to open the game on your Android device and after that you need to go to its settings. In the settings of that game, you need to simply look for the option that says login with Facebook, login with Google or link account. Link your game to one of these any accounts like Facebook or email and then you can just simply use the same email and Facebook in your Apple store. For that, open your iPhone and download the same game from the App Store. When you launch it, just log in with the Facebook or the same method that you have linked earlier. If the game support the cross save, it will automatically sync your progress. Now, the important note here is that this works best for the popular games like Clash of Clans, PUBG, Call of Duty, or any other popular game, and others that offer the cloud saved across the platforms. Now you can go to the settings of your iPhone, then go to the game center and make sure that the option is turned on. So with the help of this method, you will be able to basically transfer Google Play data into the game center using the cross platform logins. It will help you to keep your progress without starting over. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.